So we are looking for a mason. We have this porch here. Looks like a perfectly normal porch. Problem is, a few days ago, this brick here simply broke apart. There was no reason for it that we can tell. This brick has probably been here since 1940. House was built around 1940. So when the Germans were busy occupying Holland, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, this brick has been here. And then for no apparent reason, it just broke apart. So we're looking for a mason to replace this brick. To be honest, the rest of the porch looks normal to me, but we need this brick replaced. It's a small job for a mason, but a big job for us because we don't want this to have a domino effect on the other bricks and leave us with a bigger mess down the road.